Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the modern classic cocktail, the Intro to Aperol, created by Audrey Saunders. This is a bright, sweet aperitif. First thing you're going to do is just put 2 dashes of angostura bitters just straight into your cocktail tin. And then we need 22.5 mils, which is a quarter of an ounce, of freshly squeezed lemon juice straight into the tin. Moving on to our Aperol now, and we need 60 millilitres or 2 ounces of this. This might seem like a lot, but it's not that high proof, and this really adds a lot to the flavour of the drink. Moving on to our gin, and we want 30 millilitres, 1 ounce of this. I went with a Bombay Sapphire, but really any high quality gin will do the trick here. Add your ice to your shaker, make sure it's nicely secured and locked in there, and give it a good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, should do the trick. And then strain your cocktail into a chilled coupe cocktail glass, which you can easily chill just by putting in the freezer for about 10 minutes. It should freeze pretty fast and it makes the drink a lot nicer and colder. Then I like to add a citrus peel here. You'd probably go with an orange originally to complement the flavours of the Aperol, but I didn't have any, so a lemon will do. And I just try to thinly cut the peel with a knife. A vegetable peeler would also do the trick though. And just spritz that over the top to get those oils into your drink, and just put it right in, and there you have it, the Intro to Aperol.